Greetings everybody, and welcome back to the Awesome Lindsay channel. Today we are doing a dorm style out here. Now, I don't know if I would take all this stuff with me if I were moving into a dorm, but let me know in the comments if this is something you would take with you, if you brought a bunch of furniture and cool things to your dorm when you went to college. So let me show you the lighting setup. So let me show you the lighting setup. I'm gonna try and turn on some lights one by one using this little remote here. So let's go to A. This is our key light. And you can see we have just a little bit of light shining through these windows here on the back wall, dappling the desk and down onto the rug. And then we're gonna move over. Next to this we have our fill light. That brings, it's hard to see with the modeling lights, but that brings a little bit of fill light along on the walls here and fills up the rest of the room with some light. Over here on this fill light next to the key light, I'm bouncing this through a V-flat. It's actually pretty close to the wall because I want the light to bounce through there and spread through these thin windows into the room. And then opposite of that, we have this other fill light, and this just fills in the opposite side over here, more so around the desk and the chair area. Let me see if I can turn this off and back on. So you can kind of see it just fills in this wall right here. On this light over here, I put this black flag because I wanted to brighten up this corner with this plant because it's a darker plant. So in order to not blast the whole room out with light, I put this flag up to block, to kind of cut off some light from here on out and then leave light from here on in. I do have another V-flat right here. This is offering a little bit of bounce into the room, but it's not really here for bounce. It's here so you don't see the studio through the windows. You will see a bunch of this stuff through the windows, but they'll have to retouch that out. And then I do have two flags here. I really don't need the two different types of flags, but what I was trying to do is cut some light off of the back wall just so it doesn't blend the bed and the wall together because they're both white. I have one here cutting off some of the light just on the wall, like on this brick right here. And then I have this one here just darkening a little bit more of the wall back further into the room so it's not too bright. Then I have this little tiny diffuser here. It's shining on this chair. I don't know if you can see right here as it moves. The chair was just a little hot, so I positioned this so this takes down the intensity on the chair by just a little bit. We have this new lamp here, which is also white. So I've put this little diffuser right here to kind of block off some of the light from just blowing out that side of the lamp right here. And then I have a light here with a tungsten gel on it to just add some warmth, like it was a hallway light or something like that coming in through here. And then last of all, we have this hanging pendant that adds a little bit of practical light into the room and creates some interesting dapple on the walls. We are shooting on a Canon 5D Mark IV, and we have a 24-70 lens parked at 35 millimeters. Here is our camera angle, just about waist high, and our settings are 1/60th of a second to get that lamp light, f9 and ISO 400 also to get some of that lamp light because it's a little bit of a dimmer bulb. All right, everyone, that's our dorm room set. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments field. I'll do my best to answer them. And thanks everyone for watching.